Good morning. I'm Amy Lynn, and we're back with another edition of Business Leaders Spotlight. And today we're featuring an incredible leader, Christian Fautz. But first, we have an award presentation by his publisher, T.C. Bradley.
Hey, good morning, Miss Amy.
Good to see you again,
Good to see you again, Christian. It is my honor and my privilege to present you your #1 bestseller award for your book, debuting #1 on the Amazon bestseller list.
Thank you so much, TC. What a pleasure and honor to have been participating in this book. And I'd like to thank you for all your help and efforts in making the dream come a reality.
I love it. So it's expert profiles, and that's so incredible. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So expert profiles, tell us about your chapter in this book, because this book is full of different experts that are giving you information to help you out of different situations and give you their expertise. But your particular chapter is about real estate and being able to get out of a sticky situation before it's too late.
That's correct, yes. Innovators in influence, TC likes to refer to us as. And yes, my company, Core Real Estate Properties, we work with people that are facing financial hardships. They fell behind on mortgage payments, sickness in the family, or maybe they lost their job and they've got to sell their house. And they can't wait to sell it through the traditional methods of listing it with a realtor. So we'll come in and help them out of this situation.
Right. I mean, they could definitely come to you if they didn't know what to do. Basically, this is a great first step. And what actually inspired you to write this chapter?
What inspired me was back when I was in law school, I was interning at a local law firm, and they specialized in bankruptcy and landlord-tenant, and I did a lot of the intake with these clients. I found out about their situation, how they ended up in this spot, and also what their overall financial situation looked like.
Right.
And I saw how desperate some of these people were, and the fact that it got to this point, there really wasn't any other avenues for them to take at this point, facing bankruptcy or other financial situations.
Right. With your help, it's a lot easier to, walk away and, rebuild versus dig a hole that it's so hard to get out of.
Correct, exactly. Move on with their life, start fresh, and, learn from this experience.
And also, Christian has passed the bar, so you've got all that legal knowledge too, which is a great help.
Absolutely, yes. It definitely helps when reviewing contracts, negotiating with lenders to get the best deal for not only our clients, but also for our company, Core Real Estate Properties, as well.
So how can we get in touch with you, Christian?
Oh, you can reach me at our website at corerealestateproperties.com.
Perfect, and congratulations again on your success. You can find out more by logging onto our website. It's fox4morningblend.com.